Let's get back. Head up those stairs again.
I'm sorry.
We'll have to get out the same way we came in. She can't know we were here.
We better put that cut back when we get to it.
We have to close the door.
I've got it.
Hey, help me with this. It's heavier than it looks.
Enough whining. Won't even remember in a moment.
We're just going to kill him.
No, because we're going to stop her. I've avoided this for too long. She's not well.
No. You should be thanking me. What good does a soul do anybody? It's just a vessel for pain. I damn near envy you.
Okay, the cauldron. Without it, she'll have no use for the souls. I'll distract her. You free the wolf. Then we break the cauldron.
You sure?
No. But we can't hide forever. Go.
I told you never to come back here!
That's right, look at me!
So many things I've forgotten. And you refuse to be one of them!
It doesn't have to be this way. If Ragnarok is coming, wouldn't you rather face it together?
What did destiny ever do for anybody? Was it your mom's destiny to take so young? Was it your father's destiny to be an absolute fool?
I won't give up on you.
So good! You fraud of Freya!
Loki!
Loki!
Let
Get out of my house!
Here, follow me. This way.
That's right.
Up this way. There's a way back to her kitchen.
Where are you?
You sure you want to go back there?
I told you, we have to.
I can hear you.
Over there. Gotta destroy that cauldron. Can you swing across?
Where'd you go? You hiding? Should have stayed. Hey! Away from that! Champion of the Jotnar, here in my humble home. Having a bit of fun before your father croaks, eh?
Don't talk about my father!
You'll do well as Odin stay.
Shut up!
I'm sure you'll make such a fine pop, you'll forget all about your old luck.
Shut up!
So do you? Why won't you leave me alone, girl?
I can't anymore!
So do you?
Now's your chance! Get to that cauldron!
Why are you even here?
Gotta get off the floor.
You're pitiful giants! The both of you!
There's a candle over there! Maybe she'll get stuck if I hit it!
I'm ashamed we're even related, girl!
Don't mean that!
So do you? Get away from me! You won't destroy destroy it! Bringan di tambur! Stay!
Hey, Gabona, watch out! Get off the counter!
The pitiful giants! The both of you!
There's a candle over there. Maybe she'll get stunned if I hit it. Stunned her. Hit the cauldron.
I'm ashamed we're even related, girl!
You don't mean that.
You won't destroy it! Get away from me! Gandhi Tambur!
Hit the cauldron.
Why are you so bent on hurting me like this, girl? I've done nothing to you!
You can't keep stealing souls.
They're just animals! Leave me alone! This is all I've got! Pain! What did I ever do to you?
The Lord, now! Shoot those before they hit me! Send it to I think we can stun her! Tell me when you're ready and I can use rune stones on her candle. If she's close enough, the blast might stun her.
I can hear you!
She's stunned, Atreus!
What did I ever
Shoot
do
those
to
before
you?
they hit you! It's good to still magic!
Bang! Leave me alone!
You're... Hey, Gabona, watch out! Get off the counter!
This is all I've got!
Get down to the floor!
Did you go?
I saved you.
I should have thrown you to the wolves right after I pulled you out of your mother. Get out!
Just
Get out!
no. Let's go.
You think you've done something here, granddaughter? You are nothing! And no one will ever remember you! Not even Loki! You'll just be a forgotten chapter in his story! He'll be too busy mourning his father! If I see you again, you'll wish you died with your parents!
You sure it's alright to leave her here? What if she comes out looking for...
She used to leave me food.
What?
She'd say she didn't care about me, but sometimes I'd wake up and I'd see a loaf of bread sitting next to the fire. Just baked just the way she always used to. She's not a monster, you know? She's lost.
You wanna walk?
This way. We should get you. You've been gone longer than you think.
Boda.
It's fine. This was a long time coming. I'll be back once we reach the other side of this path.
Well then, guess 2 out of 3?
Atreus,
Race me, come on.
I see what you're doing.
You know you want a rematch after last
I
time.
appreciate it. Last time, I beat you.
I'm pretty sure it was a tie.
Pretty sure it wasn't.
So prove me wrong. 1, 2, 3, go!
Fine.
You coming or what?
Go! Go! Go!
You're fucked? Oh no you don't!
Watch the turn here! I have absolutely no idea what you're saying.
This field always smells so amazing.
I assume your nose is much better like this. Don't get too distracted. Pizza! Faster! We got it now! I don't think so. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, come on! You're not getting tired now, are you? Whoa!
He rode a magic fox the whole way.
Loki. Atreus. Thank you.
I'm sorry she was so hard on you.
Me too.
Well, I suppose you're ready to get home now. I'll meet you by the shrine when you're ready.
Do I have to leave?
Not if you don't want to.
You still don't believe it, do you?
I can't. I think I'm being stupid.
I think you care for your dad so much you can't conceive of a world where you let him get hurt. Come here. I need to show you something.
Laufey? My mother's?
I wish it weren't empty, but I know how it feels to lose a parent, to lose both. Your mother may be gone, but your father, you've still got time to say goodbye.
I know what you're trying to say. And I appreciate it. I do. But I don't know. We've got to be more than a bunch of stories with our endings already written. What happens to you now?
I don't know. Like I said, once you're gone, my part in this is over. So, feel free to stay.
I think your part is as big as you want it to be.
What are you gonna do?
No idea. But I can't just sit back and let my dad die. I gotta get back.
Okay.
Huh. Stars here are different.
No. You just are.
I am gonna see you again.
Sure. Okay, now. Close your eyes. And hold that tight. You don't want to lose it. Home. Think of it. Repeat it.
Home. 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 Like that?